Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem on profit and loss account. Problem number 3. From the following particulars, prepare profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2024. Gross profit 1,20,000, rents and taxes 8,000, printing stationery and postages 600, office lighting 1,000, general expenses 600, salaries 20,000, insurance premium 2,000, advertisement 1,400, depreciation on fixed assets 1,000, discount received 200. Solution: profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2024. Debit side, we have to record all the expenses, office expenses or administrative expenses. And credit side, all incomes or gains. First item is gross profit. Okay, this gross profit we have got in trading account. So trading account gross profit ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. In credit side, right? By gross profit carried down amount is 1,20,000 and all the expenses right in debit side and incomes credit side. Rent and taxes 8,000. 2. Rent and taxes 8,000. Printing stationery and postages 600. Debit side. 2. Printing stationery and postages 600. Office lighting 1,000. 2. Office lighting 1,000. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 600. 2. ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 600. Salaries 20,000. 2. Salaries 20,000. Insurance premium 2,000. 2. Insurance premium 2,000. Advertisement 1,400. 2. Advertisement 1,400. Depreciation on fixed assets rupees 1,000. 2. Depreciation on fixed assets 1,000. And the last one, discount received 2,000. Discount na receive ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then that is the income. Income credit side. By discount received 200. Credit side amount ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, so ಅದನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲು. 1,20,000 plus 200 total is 1,20,200. Right, same amount debit side 1,20,200. From this 1,20,200 minus 8,000 minus 600 minus 1,000 minus 600 minus 20,000 minus 2,000 minus 1,400 and minus 1,000. Difference amount is 85,600. This is the net profit. To net profit 85,600. ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೈ net loss. In next video, we'll solve problem on balance sheet. Okay, preparing the balance sheet. Thank you, students.